All right, so today I decided to put the iron wheels on the MAP 231 because yesterday I found that the conditions were a little slick, and we did the job. You can see the previous videos. We it worked okay, but I kind of want the extra traction for the iron wheels. And one thing why MAP is like a great market gardener's tool is I'll show you the axle on this, and you can change wheels very quickly. You have just a nut here that you have to loosen on both sides, and you can see that it's on a hex, so it's not moving. As long as you don't use it, it's not going to move anywhere. And all you have to do is then lift up the machine a little bit, stick something underneath the front, and you can change the wheels very readily. It makes for a really quick change operation. And when you want to change something, it really does speed up the whole process, and it kind of takes the mundane out of it. All right, so we're gonna test the traction of these steel wheels using the harrow, and I want to point out that the harrow is a little different than a power harrow in the way that it actually brings things up to the surface. So you're going to see things rise up to the surface, and then you can clear it off, and then use a power harrow, say in the spring, because this is late October or middle of October, in the spring, to actually prepare the bed for seeding. All right, we'll get started. So that's just a quick demonstration. I had to adjust the tines so all the tines were working. At the beginning it was only the front tines, and I could actually adjust it even a little more. But you can see that the effect is to draw things up to the surface, and you can rake it out and clean it up. All these things were little pebbles and old seedlings and weeds and stuff like that are now drawn up the surface. Clear it out, and then you can leave it for the winter time, and it'll be good and ready for spring. Again, thanks for watching, and we will catch you next time.